What's up, fam? This is your boy JEFE, and I'm here to talk to you guys about something that I didn't think I was going to have to do. I was looking forward to reviewing this product. I thought it was going to be really good bang for buck. It was going to be a bargain product that was going to come in and maybe shake up the market, in this sub $30 price range. So what I've got here, what landed on my doorstep today are the Umidigi Upods. So these went on the market a while back when Umidigi dropped their Umidigi X phone. These came out at an introductory price of only 10 bucks. So I was, very suspicious. I was like, you know what, for $10, let's see, because I think they were going to be 20 when they hit full price, maybe 25 bucks. So I was thinking, all right, let's give them a try. So before we get started, I'm not going to be putting any links to these in the description of this video. If you want to look up the Umidigi Upods, go ahead and look them up yourself. They're available on AliExpress as far as I know. But before you go and buy them because you're like, oh my God, $10, $15, listen, don't do it. Hear me out first. Now, before we go any further, and for full disclosure, I bought these earbuds myself with my own money. Umidigi didn't send these over. This is not a sponsored video in any way. I'm doing this, of my own volition. So with that said, let's get started. So basically, these earbuds sounded really good on paper, right? The specs sounded great. So 4 hours of single use of playback time, 600 milliamp hour charging box. You also had up to 24 hours worth of battery life with the charging case. They came with Bluetooth 5.0. They also have the DSP for better phone calls. You can access the voice assistant, Bluetooth 5.0 for a good connection. So everything sounded really good. I'm like, okay, man, for 10 bucks, this is going to be an absolute steal, right? The thing that landed on my doorstep, not at all, man, not at all. So let's start off with the only thing that I think is like somewhat okay on these earbuds, and that's the microphone. As far as I can tell, they only have one mic, and that's on the left earbud. I did a quick mic phone call quality test. I'll play that for you now. You let me know what you think. With the microphone test for the Umidigi Upods. So the reason I'm starting this video this way is because this is basically the only real upside to these earbuds that I found. So far, everything else is pretty much trash. But more on that, just a second. So, what'd you guys think? Just like I said in, that clip, that's one of the only real good things about these earbuds as far as I can tell. The only other upside is the fact that they do have Bluetooth 5.0, so the connectivity was easy. And there also isn't any latency as far as like video and things like that go. But beyond that, that's pretty much it. And the reason I say this, and the reason I'm even making this video like right on day one, right when I brought these, and you guys know, some people have to complain that I'm too slow about bringing out my reviews. And that's because I like to test products thoroughly and live with them so that I can make sure that I'm making a proper recommendation. But just putting these in my ear and listening to what I heard, there's no way that I can recommend these to you. And I'm here to try to help you save some money. And also, I'm here to give some constructive criticism to Umidigi so that they can take this and learn from it. So my first gripe with these earbuds is going to be the controls. The controls are just like, what? What is happening here? So for some reason, I thought that they were actually going to be touch control, which they're not. They have physical buttons, bit clicky, similar to what you get with the Creative Outlier Air. So it's buttons. You have to use the pinch and click method. Not a big deal. Just buttons. No biggie. Cool, right? Well, here's the freaking problem. You don't even have full control of the earbuds through the buttons. Here's what you get. Long press to turn them on, long press to turn them off, single click, play pause, and also to answer and hang up phone calls. Double click brings up the Smart Assistant. That's it. There's no volume control. No freaking volume control. Secondly, there is no track control. You can't fast forward, you can't skip track forward or backwards. I mean, I don't even know how these got out. Like who thought that this was okay? Who thought that, you know what? These earbuds sound like absolute trash and you can't even control them completely without having to use your phone, but you know what? Sell them. I mean, really? So the sound quality. This is my main gripe with these earbuds. There's no sound quality. These sound like absolute garbage. And I mean, I'm trying to say this in the best way possible. There's no bass. Okay, let me be fair. There's like a tiny, tiny little bit of bass, but as soon as you turn the volume up to max to see if there's anything left in there, it basically just muddies up the rest of the frequency, which already doesn't sound good. Mid-range is terrible. The treble is not there. There's no clarity. Everything sounds muffled. And I thought that maybe I was getting an improper seal. Maybe I was using the wrong ear tips. So I tried the medium ones that came installed on it, and they were too small. So I tried the largest ones. Didn't seem to really fit my ears correctly, but I sort of jammed them in there to try to get, a better seal. And I listened to them that way, and it was still trash. So I ended up grabbing some of my known good working ear tips, so ones that I know fit my ears properly. So it's the same ones that I use on my One More Stylish, those same ones I use on, my Creative Outliers. So I grabbed those ear tips, popped them on these so I know they fit. I got a proper seal. The surrounding noise got reduced, so I know the seal was working well. Turned the music on again, and still, sound quality, absolute garbage. It's just, even for an earbud that's coming in at $10 or $15 or $20 or whatever the max price ends up being, this ain't it. The sound quality is absolutely terrible. Just terrible. Don't do this to yourselves. All right. So here's my message for Umidigi when they watch this video. You guys need to go and pick up a good set of earbuds. So let's say something that's similar in price, right? So let's talk about maybe like the Soundpeats True Capsule or the Ambus D42, or even try the Tautronics Liberty 53, the Sound Liberty 53s. Try those. Those are all under $50. Try some of those. Put those in your ears. Listen to the way those sound, and then put these in your ear and listen to the difference. If your earbuds that you're putting on the market don't sound like that, these shouldn't even be on the market. Not even for $10. These are just garbage. Don't do this to yourselves. So for the people that are watching this video that are thinking about buying these Umidigi Upods, don't freaking do it. I understand that price tag is highly tempting because the spec list looks so good, but all those specs don't equal to good sound quality whatsoever. The sound quality is freaking terrible. If you have wired earbuds that came with your phone, they will sound so much better than these. It's not even funny. So as you guys know, the goal of my channel is to help you make better tech buying decisions, right? So this is my opportunity to help you save some money this way. Don't do this to yourselves. I hope that Umidigi will take this video and say, you know what, we need to kind of come back a little bit stronger next time. And I know they're in a budget range of market. They make some budget phones that are pretty solid from, what people have told me. But this first entry into the true wireless earbuds market, nope. This is just not good. And as soon as I heard how bad these sound, as soon as I let a couple other people hear them, listen, man, just be warned, don't buy these. Despite the low price, trust me, it's not worth it. You could do a lot better. And for anybody who says, oh man, Jefe, I've only got, $15, $20 to spend, I'm looking for something in this price range. Listen, do yourselves a favor, wait a little longer, save a little bit more money, and get something in the $30 to $40 to $50 range that's going to sound excellent. And I'll be happy to make recommendations for that sort of stuff if you want to know. Just ask the questions in the comment section. But all in all, this is my last bit here. Just don't do this to yourselves. Don't go buy these. Don't look for these in that sense. Don't try to buy these, and just don't do it to yourselves. Please trust your boy El Jefe on this one. The sound quality is terrible, just terrible. But if you just received the Umidigi Upods, they just landed on your doorstep today, let me know what you think of them. Leave those down in the comment section. I want to hear your experience with them. Is it the same as mine? Are you having a completely different experience? Did I get a defective set? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have any questions, concerns, any of that other stuff regarding either these or any of the other earbuds that I've been testing, let me know. Leave those down there as well. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and hit the dislike button. There's always one or two of you out there. I don't want you feeling left out. And if you haven't done so already, consider joining the fam. Hit that subscribe button along with that small notification bell. This way you never miss any of my weekly videos. And also, if you're a hardcore supporter of the channel and you like what I'm doing here and you want to keep me making these videos for you, then consider checking out the merch. I'll leave a link to that down in the description box down below. And you'll also see the merch shelf down there. You'll see the shirts and the sweaters and all the different stuff. Consider checking out some of that stuff and, I don't know, help support the channel in a different way. So with all of that said, I hope I brought you some good value today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you in the next video.